Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word as a powerful tool for desktop publishing and design. Perfect for creating things like flyers, boosters, and even newsletters, all without needing expensive design software. A lot of people think Word is just for typing documents, but actually it has a lot of layout and design tools that can help you create stunning printable publications. Let's get started step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Here you can set the page size, margins, and orientation. For example, if you're making a flyer, you might want to switch the orientation to landscape and use narrow margins. Next, click on Size and choose from standard options like a 4-letter or create a custom page size. This is super helpful if you're designing boast cards, business cards, or anything with specific measurements. Once your page is set, we move to the Design tab. Here you can choose a seam, set default fonts, and even apply a color plate that matches the brand or style you're going for. Don't worry, you can still manually format things later. Now the font begins. Use Insert Text Box to add sections of content. Text boxes give you total freedom to position your text anywhere on the page. Click and drag to move them around. Resize them and stack them creatively. To add images, go to Insert Pictures and choose from your device. After inserting, you can right-click the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose Tight or Throw. That lets your text flow around the image beautifully, like in a real magazine layout. Want to add shapes, icons, or logos? Easy, go to Insert, Shapes, and draw elements like banners, boxes, or circles. Then use Format Shape to add colors, gradients, or even shadows for a more stylish look. You can also layer objects by right-clicking them and choosing Bring to Front or Send to Back. This is super useful when you're stacking text over a background or blessing logos over photos. For headings, use the styles on the home page. Don't just change the font size manually. Styles help you keep consistency across the whole document, and you can update or read others in one click later. To add a background color or image to your entire page, go to Design Page Color. For an image background, insert it as a picture, then send it to the back and stretch it to cover the full page. And that's it. You have just created a printable publication using Microsoft Word. Whether it's a poster, flyer, or event program, you don't need fancy software, just a bit of creativity and these built-in tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. And let me know in the comments what kind of publication you plan to design in Word. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.